How to turn off read receipts on TikTok so other people can't see when you've read their messages? Here's how to do it in TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app and tapping Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down. From there, go to the Interaction section. Now scroll down and select Direct Messages. Inside the Direct Messages settings, tap Read Status. You'll see an option that allows others to see when you've read their messages. Simply toggle Read Status off. That's it. Once disabled, people will no longer be able to see when you've read their direct messages on TikTok. Um, Keep in mind that this setting applies to all of your TikTok conversations. Also, when you turn off read status, you won't be able to see read receipts from other users either. That's all there is to it. You can now use TikTok messages with a little more privacy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.